Hey, what's up, guys? I'm just doing an unboxing video for you of this metal bed frame, metal platform bed frame here. So I grabbed my knife out. On the top, it shows don't use a knife. So don't do that, maybe. Okay, so here we go inside the box. I don't see anything necessarily that I would have cut or hurt. I guess could have scratched the metal frame some, but just show you. Every single piece is wrapped up in plastic, so I actually really like that because I have bought other metal frames and different types of things from Amazon, and they're not wrapped up very good. And even just like this little bit of plastic keeps the frame and the metal from getting scratched up, which ultimately just, of course gives you a nicer product when it shows up, but it also makes it last longer when you don't scratch up your metal finishes. So here's another piece. So obviously I don't know what all of the pieces are yet for sure, but that looks like probably the actual platform part. These are probably legs. And another set of legs, I believe. And then you have this pack here, which is, I believe, just the slats that go across the bed frame. It looks like a pretty easy assembly. The rest of the stuff in here, make sure you check for hardware packs or anything. So that's just foam and padding. And yeah, so you have your hardware pack that only needs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think it's 8 bolts in there that I counted. Has an Allen wrench. And then, of course, your instruction and technical manual here.